Hey, what you doing, pretty bird? Hey, you're getting a bit clucky today. You're always clucky, aren't you? You don't want to leave Mummy alone. Look what I got. That's it? Hey? Every time I get the bell out, he talks. Yep, I know. Hey, why don't you play with your bell? Hey? Mommy go outside and do gardening. Hey? Kiss the bell? You swear again. You're such a rude bird, hey? You swearing. Come on. Hey. Okay, see, I stop now. He stops talking. So with budgies, you always have to have something, well, with this budgie anyway, you're going to have something to encourage him to talk, something to encourage him to go to his cage, or else he's stubborn. He's just listening now, but look, quiet, isn't it, baby P? But the minute I play the bell, it's so cute when you swear. I don't like repeating what he's saying, but... Did you say dang it? I know. That wasn't what you said. You said with the M, not the N. I know. You're talking all the time. What's the cute pip pip? You the cute pip pip? Again, you're swearing again. Kiss, 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 kiss. A friend of mine came over the other day and she was saying, instead of saying kiss, kiss, she said kiss, 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 and Pedro picked it up. Hey, you copied it now. You're saying kiss, kiss with a kiss, 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 kiss. Yeah, I know. Normally, you talk on your own, especially if Mommy's watching TV. Yeah, I know. Oopsie. I go get it again. Look. You have to face the camera. You notice he's trying to get away from the camera. Oh, baby P, hang on. Face the camera, baby P. Okay, that's enough now. Okay, Mommy gotta go outside now, baby P. Hey, you play with that now? Hey? There's a lot of swearing going on. I don't swear, by the way. So just in case you think we're teaching this bird to swear, we don't. Hey, Mommy doesn't swear. Except, oh my goodness. That's all Mommy's saying, isn't it? Or I say the S-H-I-T word, but apart from that, hang on. Where are you now? He's running up my shoulder. Come here. I don't want to be in the camera. Mommy's face hasn't, Mommy hasn't got her face on. Come on, here. Come on. Oh, goodness. I can't see you, baby P. Yeah, I know. Hey. Hey, look. Mommy hasn't got her face on. And I got a runny nose. Cutie Palook. Who's a cutie Palook? I don't even know what that means. Okay. Bye-bye. Hey, who's that pretty bird there? Can you see yourself? There's a bird over here. Go say hello. Hello, pretty bird. Hello. Baby Pee, cute. You're cute. Hey, you're cute. Yeah. What you doing between my legs? Come on. Okay, bye-bye.